Hey guys, you are watching Digital Illustration, and we are today for a cool realistic fur effect for text in Illustrator. So let's begin. Open your Adobe Illustrator and a canvas of 1920 or 1080 by 1080 or any other size that you wish. And let's start with the text tool. Hit T from the keyboard for your shortcut of the text tool, or select it from the toolbar. Click and set your font up to your choice. And once I select it over there, you can see there are so many different fonts. And today I'm going to choose Nikinly normal font. If you want this script style smooth font, then you can just simply click the link below in the description for getting this and download for free to your computer, or you wish to have any other font to use, just use it from there like this, and type your own word that you want to get this effect on. Like here I am writing smooth, and just drag and make it as bigger size like this. For the background, right now I'm going to make a nice background to this text. Go to select rectangle tool, make a big rectangle like this, right click, send to back, or beforehand just change the gradient, or color you can do. I'm changing it to a gradient like this, a nice dark to bright color gradient. Right click and arrange and send to back. Now I'm having my font in front. Just create outlines, select create outlines, but beforehand make it into a only outline format, no fill, and right click and make it create outlines. Go to Pathfinder and select unite, and it's done. Now I'm just going to ungroup so that some letters are joined together like this and some are alone like this. So with the C shortcut from keyboard, that is for scissors, just click on any point. You can see these are some points, and just click like this. So you can see with, if I move that single point with the direct selection tool like this, it's a or open path right now. So I'm just going to, with the ellipse tool, I'm going to make a new ellipse right now here, and filling it up with a light skin color. You can copy the color code from here, hit OK, pause and copy the color code, and with no outline I'm going to double click on this color swatch and changing the color to a darker tone of the same skin color. This time the code is here. You can just copy it and hit OK, and go to gradient, drag it over there. So you are now having a new gradient of light to dark skin tone. So change the location of the center point to 70% like this, and just make the angle go to 19° or minus 90°. Duplicate the ellipse by holding alt and dragging it downwards like this. Select both with a shift, go to object, blend, make, then again object, blend and blend options. In this, select specified steps. Increase the steps, like I'm going here for a 300. This is quite nice. Make few copies of this gradient. That will be helpful for our next steps. Select this and make it an open path, but and remove the excess shapes like inside ones. And as you can see, this is an open path, but I'm going to delete some of the parts like this. Delete it, and it's completely open like this. Release compound path and go to the select the gradient, blended gradient that you have here there, and select the S open path and go to object, blend, replace spine. It's available. So if it's not, you can just recheck that your path is an released compound, not a complex or compound path, and an open path too. So now just replace spine. It's done like this, and we are good to go. Again, I'm making one more copy so that one of my copy is left if for future if I want anything else. So for this rest letters, I'm doing the same things like selecting it with direction selection tool and just delete the open path and delete the inside paths. As you can see, release compound path, and now the inside paths are excess ones, so just delete them. Rest are okay. Set it on a side and select with the gradient, blended gradient, go to object, blend, replace spine again, and it's done like this. But here you can see it's not so smooth as it says, so just go to object, sorry, yeah, go to object, so go to object, blend, blend options, and increase the steps numbers like 600. I think I would like to increase it much more. So think of and look at your artwork, how do you feel? And here with 1,000 steps, it's okay for this part. Beware, with this settings, it might break your computer or crash your software. So go to appearance, from effects, select distort and transform, and in there select roughen. In this properties, increase the size to 50% and detail to 60 per inch. Let us have a preview. Make sure it's relative and in corner. And once you are happy with that, you can hit OK, or you can change the size and details up to your own choice. I'm happy like this. Selecting the next options, going to again distort and transform with roughen, and again putting those same values and same corner and relative. Let us preview, let us see how it looks. It's quite too much furry for this complete set of letters, so I'm just going to use a lower value of size, and I think this is quite nice. So once I'm happy, I will hit OK, and congratulations, you have right now created a complete realistic fur text effect for your words, for your brand logo design, and enjoy much more capacity of your Adobe Illustrator with such simple step-by-step Illustrator tutorials for you guys. So for enjoying those, hit the subscribe button right now, hit the like button to this video. Your support means a lot to me. So see you guys in my next video.